153. At how many stops did the driver spend an amount that was less than 1 standard deviation below the mean? Right? 1 standard deviation below the mean. The amount that was less than 1 standard deviation below the mean. So what is 1 standard deviation below the mean? So it means you have to say the mean minus standard deviation. 150, that's our mean, minus 50,50. And then we get what? We get 99,5. So this is 1 standard deviation below the mean. Right, we're looking for the amount that is less than this. Which amount is that? 100 is above, 150 is above that, 130 is above that. So we have 50, which is below that. So we have only one stop where he used an amount less than 1 standard deviation below the mean. If you say 1 standard deviation above the mean, then you say mean plus standard deviation.